Before we start, we want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Here are the ingredients that we will be using. Let's begin with our dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Once the mixture has been sifted, take a whisk and stir around the ingredients just to make sure they're fully combined. Now to the stand mixer. We're going to combine 1 stick of softened butter, the white sugar, and the brown sugar. As the butter and sugars mix, add in the vanilla extract. Then the egg. Now for a little secret ingredient, instant coffee. It won't make the cookie batter taste like coffee, but it really enhances the flavor of the chocolate, making a richer cookie. After all the wet ingredients have been incorporated, slowly add in the dry ingredients. Then, you can add in the chocolate chips. I also like to put walnuts, but that's optional. Next, take 2 cookie sheets and grease them with oil or butter. Then, you can begin shaping the cookies and laying them onto the sheets. Then, place them in the oven and bake them at 350 degrees for 11 minutes. Once they're ready and out of the oven, they're great to eat warm with a cold glass of milk.